I spent time, energy, effort, and money on building a brand. Nobody knows who you are to buy the thing from you. People that sell products, marketing, have conned people into thinking house flipping is investing. The middleman gets paid the most. Amazon, middleman. Uber, DoorDash, middleman. Walmart, middleman. And if you can figure out a way to be the middleman, you're going to be good. Amateurs make money on the front end. Experts make money on the back end. Like, bro, go build a brand.
It's funny because I always see him in my views, but I never see him in my likes. They don't ever comment. They don't ever share nothing. They don't ever pull up the nothing I got going. Stop telling these folk you fuck with me, bro. Stop lying to these people telling them that you fuck with me. You don't fuck with me. You just sitting there waiting and watching to see if a nigga gonna fail. And guess what? I'm still here. Winning.